Hi loves, so in today's video we are going to be doing, well not we, but I am going to be doing this nice cut crease pink glittered winged look. I don't know what it's called, I don't know what I'm gonna call it, but I absolutely love this look right here. It is very, you know, appropriate for Valentine's Day, for date night, anything really, and I'm just really obsessed with it. Like, I absolutely love the way that it turned out. So if you guys are interested in seeing how I got this look, how I did this eye, and you know, pretty much put everything together, then definitely keep on watching. But before we get into the video, please subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and also give this video a thumbs up if you like this look and if you enjoyed the video overall. And yeah, we're just gonna jump right into the tutorial. Alright love, so first things first, we're gonna moisturize our face using the Pond's Dry Skin Cream. And y'all know I love using this during the winter time because it really brings my face to life. So we're going to prime our eyes with concealer using the Maybelline Age Rewind Concealer, and this is in the color Neutralizer, and we're just going to apply this on our lids. And usually I will use my Tarte Shape Tape on my eyelids to prime them, but since Tarte is canceled, y'all know the whole situation with Tarte. Since they are canceled, I won't be using their product, but y'all know I love the Shape Tape. And then just blend it out with our finger. Alright, I'm not really liking that concealer for my eyes, so I'm just going to go in with my LA Girl over that. Just do the same and blend it out with my finger. You guys, if my edges stay throughout the video, then it's a miracle. We're going to be taking the Modern Renaissance palette. We're going to go into the color Burnt Orange, which is this nice tan shade right here. And we're going to use this as our transition shade. And we're just going to blend back and forth and just apply this right under our brow bone. Alright, so boom. Now that our transition shade is on, we are going to go into the color Real Girl, which is the actual burnt orange shade. Apply this in our crease. Now that that is done, we're going to go into the Morphe 3502, and we're going to take this shade right here. It's like a dark burnt red. We're going to take it on our outer corner and also in our crease. And then we're going to go in and blend it out. We're going to go in with this dark pink purplish reddish color, and we're going to dab this on our outer corner and also in our crease. We kind of wanted to tone down that bright red that we just used just a little bit. And then we're going to go in with our blending brush and just blend all the colors out. And next what we're going to do, we're going to carve out our crease. And to carve out my crease, I usually use my Tarte Shape Tape, but y'all know we can't use them anymore. So we're going to be going in with the NYX Gotcha Cover Concealer. And this is also, like, it's very thick as well. So I think this will be really good to carve out my crease. Because our eyelids are already wet, we're going to go in with our glitter. This is the NYX glitter, and this is in the color 02. Yeah, this is in the color 02. Y'all, I hate working with glitter. I really do, but we're going to do this. And we're just going to go back into the color where we applied that darker plum shade and just pat our outer corners. Just to give us a blend so we don't have a harsh line. We're gonna go back into our Anastasia Beverly Hills palette, and we're gonna go into Tempera, which is this white shade. I'm just gonna set the front of our crease with this. I'm gonna go into Red Ochre, which is this darker reddish color, and we're gonna apply this right before we get to the glitter on our eyes, just to create like an ombre effect. And you just want to do this real lightly. Alright, so you know we have to be dramatic, and we're going to be doing a winged liner today. So I'm going to take the NYX Black Ink Liner, and I'm going to apply this and create like a really thick liner. The Morphe lashes, and these are in the style Romancing. So I'm gonna go ahead and pop this on, and I'll be back ready to start with my face. Y'all, I'm not gonna lie, it took me a minute to put these lashes on, but they're on. And I am loving these lashes. I'm loving how they're very low right here for the inner corner, and then once you get out here, they're like really flirty, and it comes out. It brings the eyes out, it makes it pop. So I'm really loving that. So now for primer, I'm going to take my Fenty Beauty primer and prime my face. The foundation today, I'm going in with my Fit Me Matte Poreless in the color 335. And I'm just gonna apply this and buff this all in my face. For concealer, I'm using my NARS Radiant Creamy Concealer in the color Biscuit, and we're just gonna pretty much just brighten up our dark circles and highlight with this. We're gonna apply this under our eyes, on our Cupid's bow, down the bridge of our nose, on our chin, and a little on our forehead. So with this concealer, I feel like it dries pretty fast, so I'm just gonna go in with my Real Techniques beauty sponge and blend this all out. Okay, so now it's time to contour. I'm going in with my Black Opal foundation stick in the color Hazelnut, and I'm just gonna do what I do with my Fenty Beauty and take my brush and swipe some of the shade on, and then just go in on my cheeks like that. And we're also going on our jawline and a little bit on our forehead. Now we're just gonna take the excess and go down the sides of our nose and go in with the Airspun Loose Face Setting Powder. And I'm drawn back to using this powder after a long time, just because it doesn't give any flashback at all. And we're gonna take it right here. We're gonna set our cream contour that we put down, and I'm gonna be using my NYX bronzer as my contour shade. And we're gonna go in with the color Deep Tan. We're gonna apply this in circular motions on everywhere that we applied our cream contour to. And then also going in on the nose and bringing it underneath our brow. Go in with this brush right here and swipe away all the powder. I'm going to be going in with my Morphe Black Liner and just apply this in our waterline. So now for our bottom lash line, we're going to go in with the Morphe 3502 palette, and we're going to go in with this color right here that we use and this color right here. My Morphe 9B palette. I'm going to take this nice soft mauve shade and just apply this to the apples of my cheeks. Like that. And now for our inner corner, we're going to go in with the Anastasia Beverly Hills palette, and we're going to take the color Primavera, which is a gold shimmery shade, and we're just going to blend this upwards in our inner tear duct, just like that. Alright, and now for our bottom lashes, we're going to go in with the Maybelline Big Shot Colossal Mascara. I always say that backwards. It's Colossal Big Shot, y'all. And we're just going to apply this on our bottom lash line. So now time for highlight. We're going to go in with the Anastasia Beverly Hills Glow Kit, and I'm going to go into I think I'm going to do Summer and Bronzed and mix these two. Apply this to the high points of my cheek. Also on my Cupid's bow, on my chin, my nose, on my forehead, and on the top of my brow. To set my face, I'm taking the Morphe setting spray. So for lips, we're going with a nude lip today. So I'm going to be going in with my Morphe Gel Liner in the color Brownish. It's the J Matte lipstick in the color Brown Sugar, and I used to always use this. Alright, love, so that completes the end of this Valentine's Day tutorial. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I hope you guys loved how the look turned out, because I absolutely love this look. So if you guys enjoy it, then you know what to do. Give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and yeah guys, I will see you loves in my next video. Bye loves.